was your breakfast?
Christmas.
It was Christmas?
Yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
We are now in Casper, Wyoming, and we're gonna have some lunch and then head over to the museum. And we are at the Fort Casper Museum. Our admission is $4 per person for adults and $3 for seniors and kids. Neat museum in there. Wasn't able to do any videography inside the museum anyway, and they have this entire outdoor section with a lot of stuff that you can see as well. So, nice little stop. Should we see what this one's all about? That's pretty neat. They got, oh, you can even put your hand in and flip through the pages. Cool. Oregon Trail, marked by the state of Wyoming, 1914. Looks like the Pony Express came through here. And an Oregon Trail memorial. Don't fall! Don't fall! What do you think? Is it real?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't see a sign saying if it's real or not. This is real. Skull from a now extinct species.
What is it?
Bison antiquus. Push the button so I can see it light up in the back.
Over here. Up here.
Ooh,
Is this a?
that does feel really unique, huh?
Is this a dead?
Is it a beaver pelt?
Yeah, it does.
For traders and travelers.
How do you think those actors stand so still, Jack Ben? You sure? These actors are like, they're really good at their job, standing still.
Sit on a box or barrel down here, not anything with a cover on it. Well, come on. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to step on you.
We can fit all of us in there.
You ready?
Yeah.
I've been back and forth to Time 2 today, and I think it's okay. Of course, with this river, you just never know. You ready yet? Well, pull that gate shut. You just sit right there. I'll take care of this. Just don't stop. You folks stay in the way. Ho! Ho, ho, ho! Rick Norris, Miss Marge's kitchen's floating away. Just fall out on the way. Keep moving. Everybody out now.
Okay, we made it safely across.
Yeah, she did say you can touch everything, huh? Oh, here. This lights up. So now do your hold the hand cart. Gotta go faster. Hey, push. Hey, push, push, push. Push, push, push.
Run, 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 Wes.
Oh no, watch out! It's gonna get you.
Let's come in here.
You're okay though.
Too slow.
Yeah, you gotta go faster.
On this? Yeah.
Pretty much, run, huh? There you go, that fast, right there.
Yeah, get him on film.
It's easier to lean on it.
That's the pace you'd have to keep. Nope, you're too slow. My shoes are falling off.
You carry this back 2,000 miles. I don't know, hard to say without walking. Alright, your turn. We gotta see if Jack's tall enough to carry your pack. You can carry it on your head. So every picture has information behind it.
Somehow these pictures are awesome. Ish.
That's cool. Medicine cabinets, so they don't break while they're on the trail. There you go. We'll just ride one of these on the Oregon Trail.
Yeah, there's a pillow.
Jeff, no.
What?
No.
Those are beans, not a pillow. Yep. This is the.
Oh, that's disturbing.
Oh, they had to bury their kids. That happened a lot on the trail.
She's crying.
Yeah. There's a lot of kids that died on the trail. What do you think? They're cooking up something good? Some stew?
Probably grass.
I don't know if they'd eat grass on the trail.
Dead
Oh man,
bodies.
repairs. I bet there was a lot of repairs that had to happen on the trail.
I think they're supposed to move. Jack, no.
I was telling Jack, these actors are really good at their job. They still hold really still.
How do you?
Even the kids had to help with the oxen.
Over here, right?
Look at that responsible, putting rocks around the fire pit so it doesn't get out.
Touch anything. That's
Well, you can touch but not climb. All right, we got a magnet to go on the range. What do you guys think? Was that a good stop? Let's get back on the road.